Hi, my name is Mark and I'm from Product Support at Scale Trains. And we're going to talk today about installing a jumper wire in the SDL39 so that non-ESU decoders may have access to the lighting features. So we've received feedback in regards to our new SDL39 and not being able to operate the lights when installing a non-ESU decoder. So we want to take a look at that today and why that is. In 2020, the NMRA updated their DCC standard S9.1.1.2 to more align with the national European model standard for the 21-pin decoder. In doing so, we are able to make better use of the ESU decoder features, and that enables us to use pin number 12 to power the lights. Many of the other decoder brands in the United States do not utilize this or haven't updated their decoders to meet the new standard, and that's why you can't get the lights. But we do have a workaround, and that's what we're going to take a look at today. So as we get started, we're going to take a look at the work that we're going to do, and this is a representation of the 21-pin interface that's inside of our locomotives on the main board. Each one of these pins has a number, and that corresponds with the connector that is on the decoder. So you can see here that this denotes the front end of the locomotive, and the red square here will be the blank spot on the decoder interface, so you can orient it properly. Now, for this work, what we're going to do is be connecting a blue wire from pin number 5 around to pin number 16. Number 16 is a positive wire that provides power from the decoder, and it's going to provide power around pin 5 so we can have lights on non-ESU branded decoders. This will be a soldering job, and it will take some fine soldering skills. So we're going to take a look at one of the locomotives here in just a moment that we've already completed this workaround on, and let you see the work that's necessary. All right, so let's take a look at the work that we've done on the locomotive to install the jumper wire. And as you can see, it's already here. This will take some fine soldering skills, so make sure that you've got a good quality soldering iron, not a soldering gun or anything like that. It does need to have a fine tip to it. So the easiest way to do this would be to orient the locomotive to where the front of it is to your left, and the rear, which is where the capacitors are, to the right. So this is pretty easy to locate. If you count 5 pins down on the left side and 5 pins up on the right side, that's where you're going to make the connections. Again, 5 pins down on the left side, 5 pins up on the right, and we have soldered a small wire, in this case a blue wire because it's a power wire, right around the end and connected it on the other side. Installing this jumper will allow you to use the same settings on the dip switches that are listed in the operator's manual for a non-ESU decoder as well as an ESU decoder. And that is really as simple as it can be. If you have any questions, you can email us at support@scaletrains.com.